What's going on, sneaker homies? It's your boy Corey, and I'm back to you today with another stupid, crazy fire unboxing review. First impressions. I didn't even look at these shoes yet. I bought them just because I saw pictures and I liked them. It's a Jordan 1. I said I gotta have them. But before I do any of that, before I go into any of that, I need y'all to go ahead, like, subscribe. After all this is said and done, comment, get in them comments, blow them comments up, do all you can. We trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the month. We got a couple days left. Y'all can do this. But do that.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Okay, before we get into the video, I want to give a special shout out to my first subscriber, Amani Pickford. Thank you very much. Then I want to give a special shout out to the people over at Direct Kicks, Lou, Zach, and Chris. Thank you very much for all y'all support throughout the years. Okay, now let's get into it. I didn't even look at this shoe in person. I saw pictures and I said, yo, it's a Jordan 1. The story behind it is confusing. Nobody knows the real story. It's mixed stories from the brand, from the sneaker community. So I was like, yo, I like the sneaker. It looks nice in pictures. I gotta go get it. I didn't even look at it in the store. I just had them bring me my size. I paid them and I got on about my way. So here we go. The Jordan 1. Matter of fact, here, let me tell y'all, I didn't even go to sleep yet. I've been up all night, went out. I was like, yo, I'm gonna get on.
What's going on, sneaker homies? So I'm out here night before. It's 12:16 in Cali. I came out to see at Shoe Palace if they'd have if people be lining up for the Jordan 1 Defiant Couture Jordans that come out on Saturday the 23rd. Yeah, 23rd. Yeah. So I came out here to see if there's a line, and surprisingly, there's no line. I'm gonna flip around, let you guys see that there's no line. Yeah, where there was a line for like the turbo greens and other Jordan 1s, there's no line. That's amazing. That's super cool. So it looks like it's gonna be an easy cop.
I was like, I don't want these to sell out and not get my pair. So I didn't go to sleep yet. Stayed up, joined the line, did all that crazy stuff. I seen some good kicks, met some good people. Some dude was selling Tom Sachs. I forgot your name, but I'm gonna put your name right there. Yeah, selling Tom Sachs. He had the Tom Sachs overshoes. I got to see him for the first time in person. Those things are fire. If they were my size, I would have negotiated the price, but they weren't. They were size 10. I needed 11 and a half. I tried them on. He let me try them on. Appreciate that, to make sure that I didn't need a 10, but it was tight. I didn't even get my foot all the way in. I was like, yeah, not even gonna mess up your shoe, homie. And yeah, so that video will be right somewhere here. I'm gonna probably put that in, but okay. So yeah, so let me tell you my journey tonight. I told you I didn't sleep, saw the Tom Sachs. I went to Shoe Palace in Van Nuys at first because they usually have them. I called a bunch of Shoe Palaces yesterday to make sure they were getting the sneakers. A couple said they had them. They were waiting for late shipments to see and all that, blah, blah. So I went to Van Nuys first at like 4. No. I went to Van Nuys at like 12:1. Wasn't nobody really there. So I was like, oh, that's surprising. They said they're gonna have them, but nobody's online like usual. Probably gonna be an easy cop. So I went to my normal spot in Hollywood, saw 2 or 3 people there. I was like, okay, cool, I'll come back later. Came home, left back out, went over there, got there like 4 or 5, and was chilling in the area, chilling at 7-Eleven, then I was chilling there in front. Cool. I was like third, fourth in line, got my pair. Like I said, met some cool people, got my pair, was in and out, came back home to bring y'all this video because I want to give y'all my first impressions of the sneaker, as well as the unboxing and the review on foot, all that, right? So without further ado, I bring to you, damn. Let's take it out of the bag first. You can't unbox the sneaker that's in the bag. You have to tear the bag open. So we're gonna unbag, then unbox. Receipt from Shoe Palace, official. Size 11. Let's read that. Let's read this. It says USA, size 11. Made in Vietnam, of course. Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Oh, okay. Black Gym Red Muslim. US dollars, $175. Okay, so this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Couture Defiant. Release date February 23rd, 2019. As you heard before, retail price of $175. This is the third Jordan 1 of February. You had the cool UNCs, the all patent leather UNC joints, the ones that were women's. Then you had the turbo greens that I unboxed. They came out the day after the UNCs. Those were all-star sneakers. But these bad boys right here, these things right here. Okay, let's just get into it. Let's get into the stuff, man. Oh, my first time seeing these. With y'all, it's my first time. And as I open the box, oh, can I get a good look at those? How they look on that side? Because they look amazing. God, I love the smell. I don't know what they spray, or is that the leather in the factory? I don't care about those. Shoe horns. I don't care. I don't care about those. Let me get the pedestal right. Yeah, I gotta get the pedestal right for the homies. Did I say shout out to the sneaker homies? But if I didn't, shout out to the sneaker homies. Y'all the homies. Can't forget the homies. Bam. Wait, matter of fact, no, I didn't do that bam right. Let's do that again. Bam. Air Jordan 1. Defiant Couture. Some people call it the band. The sneaker community are calling these the bands. I guess because of the red stripe along the side gives that band vibe. If you didn't know, Jordan had a sneaker band in 1985. Everybody thinks it's the Air Jordan 1. It wasn't even a Jordan at the time. I think it was like a Converse or something like that. It was a sneaker that they didn't want him to wear. I don't remember the story. But if you look it up, I'll probably have a link to the story in the bios, in the note section. So in the detail section, so you guys can see the story. I'm gonna link it somewhere. I'm gonna find it for y'all and link it down below. So yeah, watch that, comment if you like that I linked that and all that, right? Okay, so let's get into these bad boys right here. What do I think of these? This is my first sight seeing these. The leather on these, I love that smell. The leather on these give me a dress shoe vibe, like a church shoe, like like I need that kiwi. You know that kiwi shoe wax? It's like I need to walk around with that for these. It's like anything else would be uncivilized, you know? Yeah, they give me that vibe. It has, I guess this is the mousseline color, which looks like a sail, but it's more of a yellow than a sail, because I own a bunch of sneakers that say sail, and it doesn't look like that. It looks more of a yellow to me. So yeah, these are fire. I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna crease. Like, I hope they don't. They went with a more traditional tongue, I guess you could say, than the off-white inspired tongue they've been messing with. The thick padded tongue. Yeah, the inside has like a nice material. What is this? Silk?
What is that, velvet?
Yeah. Yeah, these are real nice. The Nike Air on the tongue, the emboss is like amazing. I like that. I like the way that is. I'm gonna lace these up. You guys got to see this on foot. Okay, so these are the Defiants. But yeah, these are nice. I think if you're a fan of A, Jordans, B, ones, and 3 dress shoes. If you like to mix it up with your work attire, this would be the good shoe to do that. It might throw your fellow employees off with the red stripe that goes all the way around. It's not a full 360, but it stops because it's like half side. That's like a 90, kinda. It's like a 90. Yeah, 90 degree. Yeah, but these are fire. I like these. I'm gonna put these to work. I'm gonna get some wears out of these. I'm not gonna just put them up, you know, for future. But yeah, with a 175 price tag, I recommend them. All the other Air Jordan ones are like 160. Yeah, they come up to this after tax. They come up to the 175 after tax in Cali. So yeah, these are good. These are, yeah, I like these. The inside is, I don't know if you can see it, it's a red. The inside's a red. Put the light in there. Yeah. Inside's a red, right? With the Nike Air on the sole. Yeah. Also, they dropped the same day, February 23rd, today, as the Doenbecker. I caught a major Doenbecker 6s. I caught the major L, super L. The L I caught went inside a phone booth, took the suit and tie off, put on a cape, hopped out this phone booth, and it became a super L. That's the kind of L I took today on those 6s. But I caught the W. I caught the W on these though. So it's a little cold, no problem. But I caught the W. That's what matters. Yeah. So this has been your unboxing, review, first impressions of the Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant, aka Couture, aka Band, aka you have to have these in your collection. What are you doing? Why don't you? And if you do, you're the homie. If you don't, you still the homie, but you need to get your life right and go get these. Shouts out to Jordan Brand, trying new stuff, letting the creatives create. That's the main thing over there. That's the main thing. They were pumping out just rehashes of the old retros, same colors over and over. Now it seems like they're really trying to step things up with the crimson, neutral gray joints. Then you got the turbo greens. Now you got these. Like, come on. Like, Jordan is doing their thing. They're trying to do their thing for the 2019. I mean, they be reading the comments and all the videos back in the day talking about, oh yeah, just releasing old stuff. It seems like they're really on this stuff. So that being said, these are fire. You need to have them. You need to go get them. Make sure they sell out, because when they sell out and they don't shit on shelves, it gives the creatives more leverage to create more stuff like this. So I'm your main man, Corey, and this has been my review of these beauties right here. Like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come be a homie. We are all homies. I need you, the homies, to go recruit more of your homies to be homies with me, and we can all be sneaker homies. Homies for life, homies till the day we die. It ain't fun unless the homies get some. And I'm your man, Corey. I'm out.
I got on some new shit. New whip, new bitch. I got on some new shit. Inside like Cool Whip. You better not spill shit. This here be that new drip. You better get in tune with. This here be that new drip. You better get in tune with. Okay, look, baby, you know that I'm too lit. And word is you on parts with the movement. But it's too late, cause I got on some new shit. I got me a new bitch, she better than 2 kids. Treat niggas like nuisance, but with me, she be bullin'. Cause with me, ain't no losing. But stay on. Baby, I'm the new kid.
The Petrovsky is cooking up dough.